so I'm gonna jump right into it. So right now I did already prime my eyelid, but I'm just gonna put a little bit more. So I actually just got this palette in the mail today. Its Life is a Drag. So this one right here, I'm pretty sure you guys already seen this everywhere, but I actually just got my hands on this when they have the sales going on in the Beauty Bay website. So I did place an order, a couple things from them. So the first one that I got, yes, so it's this one right here. I did a little bit of swatch on my Instagram already, but this is what the inside looks like. Very pretty. Oh my god, I don't even know what kind of eye look I wanted to do. We're gonna be using this palette right here from Lunar Beauty. I'm gonna try to use this right here. I don't know. It comes with the dual ended brush, so it's like a little taper blending on the side, and the other side is like a little nice little smush or packing brush. Anyway, let's start with our first color. The first color I'm gonna go with the shade Snatch, which is this kind of like a deep burgundy right here. Going back with the shade Snatch and then just kind of like pack that color down. I think I'm gonna be using the shade Campy or something. Oh my god, this yellow shade right here to blend out that Snatch color. So I'm just gonna blend this one first for now. Doesn't have to be too precise because this is basically like my transition color. I know they're looking a little weird, but I promise you it's gonna look snatched after. I feel like they're pigmented, but it's kind of like the colors are very, I don't know how to say this, but they're not as what do you call this? They're kind of like see-through, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not like I can still see my skin. Okay, so that, and I went over and over the color a lot, but I can still see my skin through the color, which is kind of weird me saying that, but I really hope, I mean the color snatches went on nicely, but the color, the pink one and the yellow one, I feel like they're all of this, I feel like you need to work with them. You have to keep patting on it to just get that true pigment, I think. I'm gonna go in with the shade Purple and just kind of like pack it. I'm just gonna mix in with that shade Snatch. Yeah, I think I know why now. They said that they make the best purple because they literally make the best purple. Like, can you see that pigmentation and how easy it blends? Most of the time, a lot of brands have a hard time making the perfect purple color.
Obviously, I see you, Luna.
Next color, I'm gonna be using this black right here. Very pigmented. I'm gonna focus on the other corner first. Make sure you don't put this too much.
And yes, sweetie, next you already know what your girl going to do.
Okay, so after I get this, I'm gonna go back in a little bit with the purple and the black shade to just kind of like make the crease look more defined and more deep effect. So to just kind of a little bit of more fun, I'm gonna be using this color right here to apply it on my lid. This colors is nice, but I feel like they're not as pigmented as I wanted them to be. Or maybe it could be because my base, but usually any eyeshadow I use with this eye primer is always work best. So there you have it. So next I'm gonna be using this one right here, like a darker blue. This one, it's kind of like satin. They're not metallic, but they have a little bit of the shimmer. So I'm just gonna use this one around this area right here. So now I'm using that purple shade and then go between and applying this color around the outer corner, the very out of it. Now I'm gonna be using a little bit of that black shade and then go around this area right here. Okay, that's a little too much black, sorry. Woo! So I don't know if I should do a little bit of the glitter wing effect, because I think it's gonna look very extra. So I think I'm gonna go for it. So I'm gonna be using the heavy metal glitter liner from Urban Decay in the shade Midnight Cowboy. For this part right here, I didn't wing it all the way to the end. I'm just winging it a little bit, like almost, but not all the way to the end. So there you have it. I think this is look very, very pretty. So I'm gonna rip this off.
Ow, ow, ow. Oh, dang.
Okay, so I think that is pretty good. So I'm gonna go finish on this eyes and with the lashes and the full face, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, and this is a finished look. I love it. I look a little bit over dramatic. I feel like this is not the most variable look of, you know, compared to any other look, but oh my god, please don't mind my hair. I just tried my best to just keep this baby hairs in place. Anyway, yes, I really hope you guys liked it. So if you guys would wanted to wear this on, you know, a very dramatic, or just do it for fun, you guys can extend this lower lash like on the outer word like that, like how I did, or you guys can just keep it regular, just maybe just, you know, like this. You guys can do that, or you guys could just kind of extend it out a little bit, which is kind of keep that more a little bit dramatic. So I wanted to let you guys know what product I use that I didn't mention, because I really just only did one eye. So for my bottom lashes, I did exactly the same step how we did on the crease, exactly the same, except that blue and that teal color that I didn't put, but the rest of it, it's exactly the same. You guys can extend this part out, or you guys can just leave it like a normal, just this part, it's totally fine. And for my inner corner, I just use a white, the white eyeshadow that comes with the palette, the very pigmented. I use this white right here for my inner corner on both sides, and a little bit on the inner corner, like mix in with a little bit of that teal color. And most of the part, oh, and for the lashes, I use something that it goes kind of like short and then go long and the outer like outer like this, so it's like short and it's go like long, so just kind of make my eyes look more longer and more lifted. So for the lashes that I use is from the brand Hello Angelic Beauty in this style First Class. So this is like a very nice, it's not over dramatic, to just kind of like cover the whole eyeshadow or my hard work that I did to this look. So it didn't completely cover this, so which is great, because you don't want to be cover that, because you still want to show that glitter, you want to show that the ombre color. And for my highlight, as you guys can see, super beaming, right? I use this color right here called Beat, this metallic one, this color, as my face highlight. I use this on my cheekbone, I use it on my nose, and I mean, girl, it's so bomb. I mean, the color is just like so freaking pigmented. Like, it's kind of like a pearl color. It's a little light for my skin tone, but I do love for this kind of look, because I mean, it's already extra. It's might just being a little bit more extra, but yes, I do really love the way it looks. I love the highlights on the nose, especially on my like the point of my nose. I think it looks so pretty. And for my lips, I use the combination of the LA Girl Perfect Precision lip liner in the shade Cafe this one right here. And for the lipstick, I use the Dose of Color Daisy and Katie second collaboration lipstick in the shade Hey Girl. One of my favorite nude lipstick at the moment. I've been using this like non-stop. I did mention that a couple video, so yes, so you know that's my favorite. Alright, so let's get down to how I think about this palette. So first of all, why I like curating my face with the palette, like, anyway, so I do like the palette. Dead honest, when I first saw this on YouTube, I thought the palette's a little bit more smaller than this and more sleek. So the picture that I had in my mind was the coloring, the Queen of Heart, that kind of palette. If you guys have, so you guys know what I'm talking about. So it's like really sleek, really skinny, and like kind of like a bit smaller than this. But when I got this, I was like, whoa, this is huge. Look at how thick that is. It's not a bad thing, but I was just saying that, you know, I really thought it was something a little bit smaller than this. But I still like the packaging. I really like the holographic on the package, and also love its makeup that on the package as well. And in the back, this is, I don't know why, but when I looked at this the first time, I thought it's kind of remind me of a little bit of like a Disney kind of thing. I don't know, like a Beauty and the Beast or something like that. Yeah, like this part right here, very pretty. And on the inside, the brush, this one that comes with the palette, I feel like they're used okay, but I wouldn't use this for blending. I would probably use this for the packing color, because I feel like they work best that way. And this part right here, I don't exactly know how I feel about it. I feel like it didn't pick up the color as much as I wanted to. So I do really love that colorful like side. I feel like they're very nice. One thing that I need to point it out though, that I feel like this pink right here, or either this color, it's kind of weird when you blend them. I feel like they don't really blend together as nice as how this color blend. I love this color a lot. I love the way it blends. I love the way it's applied on the lids. I think it's very pigmented, very smooth, and when you're blending this on the eyes, I don't see any patchiness. I don't see any like skipping or any spotting at all. I really do love this purple. I just wish that every colors are like this one right here, because it's so good. And oh my god, the metallics is everything. I didn't get to use the gold one yet, but I'm super excited to use maybe like next time when I play around with this palette. But definitely this one, it's so beautiful. Can you guys see? Oh my goodness, the colors of this are like crazy pigmented. And also for the white color, super pigmented, a little bit powdery, not gonna lie, but it's definitely work, and it's super white color. It's very pigmented. And also the black one, a little bit goes the wrong way, of course. So because the black color is very pigmented, so every time when you use them, just please be careful how you put them. Just kind of put a little bit and then go like blend it and go back again. Don't use a lot in one time, because this kind of color can just ruin the look very quickly if you use them too much, or you know, didn't blend them well. So yes, I do definitely really like this palette. I mean, it's so worth it for the price I paid for, because originally I think it's like $40 something, and I only got for like 20 or 20. I don't remember the price. I already threw away the my stuff, but yeah, it's only like maybe like $28 only. I can't tell if I will buy it with the full price, but definitely I'm really excited to try it more with this palette. But anyway, I really hope you guys like this makeup look, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And yes, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.